more people hitting the trail. Batteries, oh what, look at that. You can probably like climb up all the way. Well, a couple of years ago I could have. It does look like people walk by. It's almost like a path. You can never get bored of this. Probably will never get enough of it. Those trees. And look at the sun. Man, I wish I brought my memory card for the camera. Well, in a way it's good. I do the walking part now, and then come back for the clean footage later on. And there's the creek, and we're gonna be approaching a, can I call that a bridge? I guess I can. It does look like a bridge, but my battery could die any minute. If that's the case, I'm gonna label this as Moccasin Trail Part 1, and I'll do Part 2, and I don't know how many parts I need to do to finish the trail, but I will definitely finish it up. My goal or my hope is to do, is that money? No, that's not. My hope is to do at least one trail every week. Oh, now we're gonna go up a set of stairs. Okay, didn't expect that. And again, look at that. Wow, I gotta take a picture. I have to take a picture.